Ever felt that little pang of anxiety when you're scrolling through your phone, streaming that new series, or making an important call, and a tiny voice in the back of your head whispers, "Am I about to run out of data?" Or worse, "Is my bill going to be shockingly high this month?" You're not alone. In our hyperconnected world, staying on top of our mobile usage and understanding our balances is more crucial than ever. It's the key to avoiding those dreaded overage charges, ensuring uninterrupted service, and ultimately, keeping your hard-earned money where it belongs, in your pocket. Think about it. Your phone is probably one of the most essential tools you own. It connects you to family and friends, helps you navigate your day, keeps you entertained, and often plays a vital role in your work. But like any essential tool, it comes with its upkeep. And for many of us who rely on Rogers for our mobile service, understanding our balance, whether it's for data, talk time, or our monthly bill, can sometimes feel like a bit of a mystery. Maybe you've tried to quickly check your balance in the past, fumbling through menus or trying to remember a specific code. Or perhaps you've received a notification that you're nearing your limit and wished you had been more proactive. The good news is that Rogers, like most modern mobile providers, offers a variety of convenient ways for you to stay informed about your account balance. So, if you've ever found yourself wondering, "How exactly do I check my Rogers balance?" you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to break down all the different methods you can use to easily and quickly get a clear picture of your Rogers account status. Whether you're a tech-savvy user who loves exploring apps or someone who prefers a simple phone call, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through each option step by step, ensuring you have the knowledge and confidence to manage your Rogers account like a pro. Let's dive in, shall we? Because knowing your balance shouldn't be a guessing game. It should be simple, straightforward, and accessible to everyone. The most direct and arguably the most comprehensive way to check your Rogers balance is through the My Rogers app. If you haven't already downloaded it, this free app is your central hub for managing everything related to your Rogers account. Using the My Rogers app. Download and install, head over to the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices and search for My Rogers. Look for the official Rogers Communications Canada Incorporated app and download it to your phone. Log in or create an account. Once the app is installed, open it. If you already have a My Rogers account, which you likely do if you're a Rogers customer, simply enter your username, usually your Rogers mobile number or email address, and password. If you haven't created an online account yet, you'll need to go through the registration process. This usually involves providing your Rogers account number and some personal information to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Navigate to your balance. Once you're logged in, the app's home screen will typically provide a snapshot of your account. Look for sections like Usage, Balance, or Account Overview. The exact layout might vary slightly depending on updates to the app, but it's usually quite intuitive. Check your data usage. Tap on the Usage or a similar section. Here, you'll be able to see how much data you've used in your current billing cycle and how much you have remaining. The app often displays this information visually with graphs or progress bars, making it easy to understand at a glance. You might also see a breakdown of your data usage by day or application. View your talk and text usage. If your plan includes a specific amount of talk time or text messages, you'll usually find this information in the same usage section or a separate talk and text area. It will show you how many minutes you've used and how many text messages you've sent, along with any remaining allowances. Review your bill balance. To check your current account balance and view past bills, look for sections labeled Bill, Account Balance, or Statements. Here, you'll be able to see the total amount due, the due date, and often a summary of recent charges. You can usually also download past bills in PDF format for your records. Explore additional features. The My Rogers app often offers other useful features, such as the ability to make payments, manage your plan, contact customer support, and receive notifications about your usage and bill. Take some time to explore the app and familiarize yourself with its various functionalities. The My Rogers app is a powerful tool that puts you in control of your account information. It's convenient, accessible anytime, anywhere, and provides a detailed overview of your usage and balance. If you're a Rogers customer, downloading and using this app is highly recommended. Another straightforward way to check your Rogers balance is by logging into your My Rogers account through a web browser on your computer or mobile device. This option is perfect if you prefer not to download an app or if you're already working on your computer. Using the My Rogers website. Open your web browser. On your computer or mobile device, open your preferred web browser, e.g., Chrome, Safari, Firefox. Go to the Rogers website. In the address bar, type in the official Rogers website address, which is usually invalid URL removed. Log into My Rogers. Look for a My Rogers or login link, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Enter your credentials. You will be prompted to enter your My Rogers username, your Rogers mobile number or email address, and password. If you haven't registered for an online account yet, you'll need to click on a register or create account link and follow the instructions to set up your account using your Rogers account number and personal information. Navigate to your balance information. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Similar to the app, look for sections like usage, balance, account overview, or billing. The exact layout might differ slightly from the app, but the information will be similar. Check your data, talk, and text usage. Click on the usage section to see a detailed breakdown of your data consumption, talk time used, and text messages sent during your current billing cycle. You will usually see your total allowances and how much you have remaining. View your bill balance and statements. Navigate to the billing or account balance section to see your current balance, payment due date, and a history of your past bills. You'll often have the option to view and download your statements in PDF format. The My Rogers website provides the same comprehensive information as the app, just accessed through a web browser. It's a great alternative if you prefer a larger screen or don't want to install another app on your phone. For those who prefer a more direct and immediate way to get a quick update, dialing a specific code on your phone can often provide a snapshot of your balance. While the exact codes can sometimes change, Rogers typically has a USSD, unstructured supplementary service data, code for checking your data balance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.